Okay, good. No, Muhammad, 3 and 3 over 4, it is equal to 15 over 4, okay? Are you understanding?
Okay.
So 3 and 2
Yes,
over
yes.
3 is 11 over 3. First you should convert convert in like fractions. Can you change into like fractions? For like fractions, there will be same denominator, okay? You should find
Okay.
out the LCM of 3 and 4, and after this you should convert, okay? Good, great, you're genius. When our fractions will be like fractions, so we will see which one is smaller and which one is bigger, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, good, good, great. What is the LCM? Also give the heading LCM is equal to. What is LCM, no, Muhammad? Okay, good, 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 great, very nice. Okay, also right here. Yes, good, very nice. You're great, genius. Okay, wait. Okay, good, 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 great. 44. Okay, very nice. Okay, great. Okay, good. Okay, very nice. So, which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? Yes, also write smaller. Okay. Yes, this one is smaller. Are you understanding? So you should write in English. 3 and 2 over 3 is smaller. Right? Are you writing? This is 44 over 12 is
Okay.
smaller. 44 means 3 and 3 over 2. You should write 3 and 2 over 3 is smaller. Okay? Okay, good, great, very nice. Okay, good. Is smaller. Smaller and smaller than 3 and 3 over 4. Okay, it is good. Okay, now I'm writing other question. So other question is which is greater? Is greater 10 over 3 or 15 over 9. Okay, this is also improper fraction. Okay, so you should first you
Okay.
should convert 10 over 3 and 15 over 9 in change in like fractions. Okay, so when they will be like fraction, you should see the numerator, the fractions having greater numerator, this fraction will be greater. Okay, bigger. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Now convert. First find out the LCM of 3 and 9 and change 10 over 3 and 15 over 9 in like fractions. They are unlike fractions, okay, because they have different denominator. Here is 3, here is 3, okay. This is they have different denominators, 3 and 9, so they are unlike fractions, okay. No, mama, you should convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Can you convert? Can you change? Hello, no, Muhammad.
Yes.
Okay, now start. Okay, good, very nice. You have 1 minute to complete it, okay.
Okay.
Okay, good, great, very nice. 10 over 3. First you should solve here, okay? Give the space, also write 15 over 9. Okay, good, great. There is more space right here. Okay, good, good. Okay, very nice. Okay, good. Okay, very nice. Give the heading LCM is equal to LCM is equal to 9. Okay, good. Okay, good, 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 great. Okay, good, very nice. 9. Okay, very nice. Now use. Okay, but first you should also change. Okay, 15 over 9 has already 9. Okay, so there is no need. 10 over 3 is greater. Okay, is greater fraction. Okay, clear? Okay, next you should increase the pen width. Okay, which is smaller 9 over 4 or 13 over 6. Okay, which one is smaller? Can you solve it? Okay, good. You should also increase the pen width.
I like having small pen width.
Okay,
It's
good,
not
good, good,
like
great.
I'd like to have space.
Okay, good, good, good. Okay, good, great. Okay, good. So 13 over 6 is smaller, okay? Because 27 over 12 is greater and 26 over 12 is smaller, okay? Okay, good, good. Okay, I'm writing next. Which fraction is greater? Which fraction is greater, okay? You just solve this question, E part, okay? Can you solve E part? Hello, no Muhammad, can you solve it? Hello, no Muhammad? No Muhammad, solve E part. Hello, no Muhammad?
Yes.
Okay, good. 4 and 3 over 5. They are a mixed number. So you should convert improper fraction, okay? Write proper way. Wait, wait, wait. You should try to write proper way, okay? Now write.
Okay.
Okay, good, very nice. Okay, 5. Also write other here. 25 over 2. Can you write other fraction, no Mama? Okay, good, great. Right? LCM, okay? Good. Okay, very nice. Good, great. You are doing wrong, no, Muhammad. 25 times 5. You should see. 25 times 5. What is answer? 25 times 5, no, Muhammad. Right? A little proper way. Right? Proper way. Okay? Now write again. No, Muhammad, again write. Hello, no, Muhammad.
Yes.
Right. 25 times 5. What is answer? Okay. Which one is greater? Yes. It is a greater. Clear? This is a greater. Are you
Clear.
understanding? Same question. You should try to do this. Can you do A part? You can decide A part without solving, okay? You can decide which one is bigger. 3 and 5 over 9 is bigger and 3 and 2 over 9 is bigger. Which is greater fraction?
3 and 5 over 9.
Yes, 3 and 5 over 9 is a greater because 3 whole part is same. 3 wholes 5 over 9. 3 wholes and 2 over 9. So whole part is same and but decimal part 5 over 9 is bigger. So this is a bigger fraction, okay? There is F part. Can you solve F part? I am writing F part again here, okay? 3 wholes and 1 over 4 are 10 over 3. Can you solve? 3 wholes and 1 over 4 are 10 over 3. Can you solve, no, Muhammad? Hello.
Yes.
Solve it, solve it. 3 and 1 over 4, 10 over 3 are 10 over 3. Solve it. Good, good, great. Okay, good, great. Okay, LCM is equal to 12. Okay, good, great. Now you should complete it, okay? It is very easy. 12 is the LCM, so you should convert 13 over 4 and 10 over 3. They are unlike fractions, okay? Can you change unlike fraction into like fraction? Can you change? Okay, good, 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 great. Okay, good, very nice, genius. Okay, good. Okay, good.
F
39.
part?
Yes, yes, this is F part, okay? Now write
Okay.
what is answer? 10 times 4, 40 over Okay, good, great, very nice. So which one is bigger? So you should also write in English, okay? 3 over 10. 3 over 10 is greater fraction, okay? 3 over 4, 3 over 10 is 10 over no 10 over 3 is greater than 3 wholes and 1 over 4. Are you understanding? This is a this is greater. Okay, now we are moving